What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Let's See What Happens. I have another microwave. We're gonna try and blow it up. This time, though, I got some airbags. Two from, it looks like from a Chevy. I don't know, some sort of Chevy, maybe a Geo Metro or something. I'm gonna put them in the microwave. We're gonna turn it on, see what happens. See if we can't make this thing. I couldn't make it self-destruct before, so now we're gonna make it. We're gonna help it to self-destruct. Alrighty, here we are. I've got two airbags. I'm gonna put them in this microwave, which, as you can see, is pretty rough looking already. If you haven't watched the last video, don't. It was boring. All right, I'm gonna put them face up and face down, and we will see what happens. I'm excited. I set it for, I don't know, probably 10 minutes. Time cook. I gotta remember how to do this again. All right, we're at 10 minutes. I'm gonna hit start and back away real quick. Alrighty, you saw what happened. That was quite impressive. We got the microwave. Looks like we only lost the door, and it's still on, but it did stop it. It only ran for 2 seconds at 9 minutes and 58 seconds now. Chair's still intact. And that, that's very hot. Wow, that's impressive. But look at this. Another one. Oh, no door. Wonder if it'll work without a door. Let's try it again. Let's see if we can find the door. All right, we found the door. It's about 20 feet away. Still got the handle. It's still here. I think it'll go in and at least make the microwave work. All right, we're gonna try it without the airbag first and make sure it still works. It's not gonna go on all the way because this is all been out of shape. Just like some of you are probably. I don't think that's gonna help. Tell you what, we might have to turn it around, hold the door on, just enough to tell it that the door is in place. See if it'll start. No. The buttons still work, but it's not. Alrighty, we figured it out. I just got to put the door on and kind of push it down at an angle. We're gonna try this other airbag, see what happens. If you can't tell, I'm a little excited. Now the stop button on here stopped working. You know what that means? We have to make it stop somehow now. I don't know if I know how to do that. Let's see. Nope. All right. I am going to hit the button and I am getting out of the way real quick. Alrighty. We saw what happened again. Wow. It stayed in there this time. I don't want to smell it this time. Blew the door off again, but I can't make this thing self-destruct. It's still on. That one was a lot louder. But I got my idea. I know how to make it self-destruct. We got smoke everywhere. Come in here and look at this. That's still on. Alrighty, I moved the microwave, as you can see. I'm gonna make this thing destruct. It won't self-destruct, but I can make it destruct. You don't know how yet? We're about to figure it out. I'm out here at the range, and we're gonna let this thing have it. I got some help. Human and artillery. Let's see what happens. Alrighty, now. Here we are. We are gonna let this thing have it. Alrighty. Unfortunately, as has happened several times now, my camera failed, and I don't have the shooting on video. But as you can see, we did some damage to this microwave. I don't think it's going to run again. In fact, I'm not even going to plug it in to test. I think it's done. Just an idea. I think it's done. We had a 12 gauge, a 20 gauge, a 9mm, a 40 caliber, a 22. I think it's done. It's in rough shape. It's another target now. Well, that wraps up this video. If you'd like to see more shooting videos and where I can actually get on video of me shooting or whatever, let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you, or you'll see me next time. Thanks for watching.